The world is an unfair place. Being picked up by a smelly homeless man is no fun. I know this. Firstly, you can't go back to his place. Secondly, you can't plan your future together based on the wealth of his property assets. What do they think they are? So great, amazing, like get over yourself. Fuck the world.